You are welcome to Ranking IT Home, and don't forget to contact him for all premium software and your device unlocking. You can call or WhatsApp him on +23355 5759 5824 or +233 2634 1393. Ranking IT, we solve your problem within a second and also give you affordable price. Thank you.
You are all welcome to Ranking IT. Please don't forget to like my channel, comment, and subscribe. If you are having any issues with your printer, just contact Ranking IT and you are going to get it. And if you want to buy anything from China, you can just link up with Ranking IT. If you want printer too, you can just DM Ranking IT. So fast forward, today I'm coming to show you how you can use your Epson printers like this 15,000W. Let me put up the camera so that you can see it. I'm recording on my PC, so 15,000W, this one. Yeah, and the older versions, like the latest version that they're coming, how you can use your printer to print the PVC. This one is the PVC tray, this one is the PVC tray, and this one is the CD tray. So I'm coming to show you how you can use the PVC. Everything is already created on my PC. Everything is already created on my PC. So fast forward, as I'm not going to waste much time, this is how it's going to be. We are going to use the PVC tray instead of the CD tray, because I have already a lot of people have video on this, but with the tray they don't have video on it. And if you are interested in purchasing one of the printers, you can just link up with Ranking IT and we are going to get it. So this is what I tried, and it worked for me. So if you are interested, you can just link up with Ranking IT. I'll get you the tray and also get you the printer. And if you have issues too, you can contact me. Please don't forget that you subscribe to my channel if you are having any issues. And I don't want you to come into my DM and come and ask me for free, because everything here is a paid product. This one I bought it. That's the box right here. I bought it. So if you want some, you can just link up with Ranking IT and you are going to get it. Nothing is for free. We do it. If you are interested, you contact me and I'm going to help you. Don't come to my DM for free, because I paid for everything. Despite that we upload it on YouTube, doesn't mean everything is for free. Yeah. Okay. So here is the tray, and I am recording it on my PC too as well. So first, what we need to do is I need to switch to my PC. So I'll be pausing, and then video will be adding some stuff. So let me quit and then turn my camera back to the main. So this is the printer. You can see everything is set here. Everything is set. And when you are coming to insert the tray, the PVC tray, you need to make sure that the printer is not close to the wall or whatever. Where it is, you just put it forward to get space at the back, because this tray moves back and front. And with the tray, if you don't insert any the PVC card here, and you do that over here, there is no way the tray is going to detect that there is a PVC on it, because there is a sensor under the tray. There is a sensor under this head, so if it does not detect the tray, it's not going to work. If it does not detect the tray, it's going to come out. So first, let's try something. We will open the door. That is it. You can see. So it will move by itself. And then start to load. So this is the tray, and this one is the CD tray. This one is the CD tray. You can see it. This one is the CD tray. So we are not going to use it, and all of them too had this arrow over here, and the arrow too is here. You can see the arrow over here. You make sure it's in line with this one. You make sure when you are inserting the tray, it's in line with this one. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So you insert the tray. You see there is nothing on it. There is nothing here, so it's not it will load all right, but it's not going to do what? It's not going to detect. So first let me push it. You can see, you make sure it's in line with this one. You make sure it's in line with this one, yeah, so that you are not going to have any breakdown or whatever. All right, so I think you can see it clearly. You can see it clearly. So let's go back to the machine and then let's try something without the PVC inside. Without the PVC, you can see there is no PVC. There is no PVC on the tray. Here are the cards. Here are the PVC tray. So let's turn it again. Let's turn it again. Okay. So here are the cards. As I said, here are the cards. So let's go to the PC. I have already created this already. I have already created this already. So if you buy it from me, you are going to get this template. This is the template that I created. So, and you can see I have already printed some too over here. That is what I did. Now what we are coming to do is we are coming to try whether if the tray is going to work without the PVC card. The tray without the PVC card. So first let's try to send a command. Let's try to send a command. So Control P. All right, so this is how it is. So we will change this settings. You can choose whatever you want here. So here you make sure it's on the CD tray. Here should be A4, and then you can choose whatever, the grocery or whatever, you can choose it. So let's go for this premium, and then let's click on OK. Everything is set here. Click on print to see how it's going to move. So let's do it. So here's the print. Okay, so you can see the head have moved from where it is, and let's see how the tray is going to move. You need to have space at the back because it goes back, so it's detecting whether if it is the PVC card is on it. Let's see how it's going to be. You see how it's moving. It's moving slowly, so you need to make sure there is a space at the back. You can see it here. You can see it at the back, and it's detecting whether if there is the PVC card on it. So without the PVC card, it's not going to do what? It's not going to respond. It will just come out. It will just come out. You see, it did not detect anything. So there's no way it's going to do what? It's going to print. You can see, yeah. So it's not going to print. Good. So it's telling me to load the tray. It's telling me to load the PVC. So you can see the yellow flash here. So what we are going to do is we will cancel the command. We just cancel the command because let's do that on the PC. Let's do that on the PC. So what we have to do now is we will cancel the command because that is not what I wanted to print. That's not what I wanted to print. So let me cancel the PVC. Let me cancel it and remove the tray from it. Let me cancel the command. Yes. Then restart the machine. Good. Okay. So now the command is gone. The command is gone. So we are, and with this template, I have already created it in a shortcut way that you can edit it. So you see this one, you can edit whatever you want to edit. Everything you can edit it. You can edit, yeah, everything you can edit whatever you want to edit. When you are done with your design, you can do your editing here. You can do your editing. All right. So let me close this one and let me get some logo that my logo that I want to print. Just one. Okay, so I have this. Which one should I print? Okay, I have already printed that. So let me import this into the Photoshop. So assuming you can see, so this one is the Rankin IT. This is what I'm going to print. So I just click on save, just save, yeah, and then it will reflect on the template. You can see it has reflected on the template. So what I'm to do is I don't want to waste all these cards. I don't want to waste it because it's very, very expensive. It's very, very expensive. But if I don't load some of the cards here, it's not going to read because the sensor is here. If I don't load some here, it's not going to read. So I'll just insert maybe the four of them, and then you see, this is how it is. And then I will just turn off about 3 of them to see how it's going to be. Let's okay, so it's here, this one. So this is how we are going to leave it. I just want one, so I just turn off one so that it's going to be like this. So with this 4, it's going to print on just one. So I'll click on the command Ctrl P, and this one too is still A4. If you check the settings, you make sure this source is on CD/DVD. But the CD, this one, it has its own software that is used to print, but I don't want that. I just want the tray because the PVC, I bought it for the PVC. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and if you need anything, just contact Rankin IT. If you have issues, contact me. All right, so fast forward, I will insert the tray as we did the first time. So let me put on the printer. Wow. So let's see how it's going to be printed. Yeah. So please don't forget to like my channel, comment and subscribe. If you want to buy this printer too, you can just contact Rankin IT. If you want a DTF large format printer, you can just link up with Rankin IT. If you have any issues, you can still link up with Rankin IT, and you are going to get good service. So it's on now. Now you can see I am pushing it. You need to make sure the arrow is it's aligned with this one. This arrow is over to the PC. You make sure it's aligned. So you just leave it here. And then you go to the PC. We have already set everything here, so the papers all should be like that. Leave this one, then click on OK, and then we hold and the print, so that it's going to print the design. So let's see whether if this one is going to respond. You can see I guess the command didn't. Okay, it's in now. Okay, so it's loading. You see, it's moving slowly. So it has detected the PVC. So you can see why I gave space at the back. You see it. So let's see it's printing. You can have a look. So always trust the process. See, it's printing on the PVC. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. So you can see it printing on the PVC. You can see it's printing on the PVC. If I wanted it to be printed at the back too, I can just turn it and it's going to be printed. It's going to be printed. So it's done. It's done. All right. So it's going to move out. It's going to move out. Nice one. So this is how it is. This is how it is. You can see it's printed on only this one because of what I chose. You can see it. So if you want to print any PVC, you can just contact Rankin IT and I'm going to help you out to get it. So the video is done. If you are having any issues too, you can just contact Rankin IT and I'm going to help you. Peace out. Bye bye.